Hey, what's up guys? John here from the REI Contractor Show. Welcome back to the next season. I'm excited to be back. We have some pretty interesting topics to go over this year. We're going to do a deep dive into contractor economics and all things contractor. It seems to be a black hole of opinions on the internet, so I'm going to try to debunk some of these things and tell you what really happens behind the scenes and why problems happen and how to solve them in the future. I look forward to it. It should be an interesting one. It should cause lots of little controversy, but I swear I'll tell you the truth for everything I know. We're going to, go into any sort of investor issues whatsoever we got. Waterproofing seems to be a big one right now. We're going to go over the State of the Union type thing, what's going on in the market, why prices are still up, when they're expected to drop, what's going on with subcontractors and staffing, and should be pretty fun. So stay tuned for more, and it's going to be a fun season.